Hey everybody, greetings from Hagerstown, Maryland. Alright, we gotta get some fuel here real quickly. Because we gotta go, go. $100. I gotta be $100. $100. Yoo-hoo! All right. I got $100. I'm $100 richer today. Yoo-hoo! I guess I didn't pull up far enough. That's a good looking truck. to fill that up. That's clean. That's good enough. Let's go off duty. There's something I've been wanting to show you guys this for a very, very long time. You guys are gonna love it. I'm serious, you guys are gonna absolutely love this. Just make sure we're recording. Here we are. How you doing, driver?
How about you?
I don't know why. The hot water here is pathetic. Check this out, guys. Check this out. Oh, wait. Let's go over here. Colombian. Let's go large. Colombian. Check that out. Listen. It's actually grinding. Oh man, that thing smells good. Holy smokies. Can't get any fresher than that, man. Oh, that smells so good. I want one of these in my truck. I'm serious, I want one of these. I've been wanting to show you guys this for a couple of weeks now. Look at that. Check that out. Ooh-wee. Alright, that's it. Imagine that. Alright, let's go get our cash.
Sorry, I thought you were just trying to get everybody steals mine. I don't have one. How's that?
By the way, let's taste this thing once. There it is. Wow. That'll wake up the dead.
Trailer numbers? That's diesel? They weren't done this morning. 5-3.
Well, they were. I just didn't know the season.
Driver
That's my
ID
fault.
and your mileage.
All right.
17. Can I have you sign on the Did you want to take the advance? I mean, if you had your advance. What truck number you want on there? Company? You're all set on that? Yep. You need a receipt? Yep.
Hello, Miss Stacy.
Hello.
Just a refill. Oh, I had a $100 cash advance. Truck number 793.
Hello.
All right, let's grab your refill first, and then I'll get your.
I'm sorry.
I said let's grab your refill first, and then I'll get the cash advance.
Okay.
Alrighty?
Let me get this. Does one of these come with it? Or is that extra? All right, thank you. If I have enough points, could you take it out of there?
You're good.
Okay.
So, let's get to your cash advance now. 793.
Yes.
Why can't I help but go like he puffs and puffs every time? Go ahead and find him. Like every time he walks by me now. Gonna make this place very hostile.
You have a $100 bill?
I do. I've got quite a few.
I just need a green paper. The white paper don't do me anything. The green paper. Green, white.
Blue.
Oh yeah, blue.
Remember they changed the color.
Thank you. Merry Christmas. That's okay. Merry Christmas. Oh man, this coffee is absolutely amazing. Thank you, pilot. And get this, it's free. Well, not really free, but I pull my pants up. All right, let's get going. Uh-oh. That's it. Let's go. Baby blue. Okay, so the Love's Truck Stop in Zanesville, Ohio is 273 miles from here, roughly 4 hours and 45 minutes. Unfortunately, we only have 4 hours and 17 minutes available to drive. It's okay. If I could make it to somewhere around Belmont, Ohio, that'd be cool. That would be cool. I am just so excited about this coffee. Man, can you imagine the possibilities if you had that coffee machine in your truck? That puts Curry to shame, I tell you. Ooh, slow down there, baby blue, slow down. I know you want to get home, but charged. All right, let me enjoy this coffee and the cinnamon. We'll catch you later. As always, thank you so very much for watching, and yeah, we'll see you later. Peace.